Hello friends. So if you are selling your jewelry items offline or online as well, then you have to make sure all of your jewelry item has ultimate level of photography. So if you're hiring the photographers and editing team, it's gonna cost you a lot. So what you're gonna do in today's video, I'll show you how you can use these AI tools that help you to create unlimited free jewelry images with the one go. As well as you can also create jewelry product ad video within the same tools. And the best part is the accuracy and detail of the photography. It keeps the jewelry item as it is, created multiple images with all the different angles which you can directly post on your website. So without waiting, let's go to the tool and see how you can generate unlimited free jewelry images as well as the video ads. So first go to the tools and you find the tools link in the description. So without waiting, click on it and you can see this dashboard. So first let's log in using your Google account. I have already generated a couple of more videos using this awesome Vision AI tool for Indian ethnic wear photography and videography, as well as how to generate the entire storyboards and do the product videography or short film for your own use. So make sure you also watch those videos. So once you log in, you come to the inner dashboard. The center you can see a prompt box where you can add any of the text in any of the language and it's generate the video right there. So if you want to generate text to video, you can just put down the prompt here. You can also try motion graphics, short video creation, explainer video creation using the script if you want a video, or if you want to generate your own AI avatars, you can do from here. So this is a quick snippet. Now let's go to the left side and click on main menu. You can see multiple options here like AI photo to avatar, motion graphics, text to clip, text to image, photo to clip, text to title clip, and you can also see the library. And if you scroll down here, you can see multiple options from agent and models, projects, trends, workflow, and explore. Agent and models, as I explained you earlier, it provides a lot of agentic AI models which you can use and create directly your desired video output. So without waiting, let's start using this tool and generate realistic, awesome looking photography and videography for our jewelry products. We are going to use earrings, necklace, and ring. So let's go. So for that, go to the main menu from the left side and click on text to image. Once you click on it, you can see a lot of generative models available from Dream, Kling, Google NanoBanana to GPT from OpenAI and so on. You can see all the top models are listed here. You can select any of that. If you want to directly go and want to create videos, you can click on videos and select your desired model from here. So let's click on image and I'm just going to select NanoBanana Pro. Once you click on it, a new panel will open which asking you to create your own project. So you can click on new and put down project name. Once you create it, you can see the name is on the top and a new page will open. At the bottom, you can see a prompt box, attachment option. At the bottom, you see the resolution 1K, 2K, 4K, image size, the quantity of image, and if you want to use the unlimited signature feature of Vision, you can just turn it on, and the more features here. So without waiting, let's go and start uploading our first product, which is the necklace. So I have already downloaded this necklace from online store. You can use your own product. Once you upload it, go to the trends, click on it, and you can see the Vision, which is a free completely right now. Click on it and click on board. Board means it's a storyboard. Once you select storyboard, you can see here it's automated generated prompt is appeared. So you can keep it as it is, or you can put down your own prompt. So before we writing the prompt, let's set up the all other setting part. So resolution is 4K. I want to keep the image size as 16.9. The image I want to generate only one. I want to keep the unlimited part on, means I can generate unlimited photos without using any of the credits. It's amazing features. So if you buy any of Vision's plan, you can generate unlimited images. I'll explain you more while I'll create. Next is board, which we already selected as a storyboard. From here you have to select. If you want to change any model, you can do from here. We have already selected our model, so let's go and hit on unlimited. But before that, I want to replace my own prompt. So I'm just going to paste my prompt. So if you need the prompt which I use in this video, I have created a doc. So if you need that doc, you have to do two things. One is comment down AI jewelry prompt in the comment box, and also send me an email on support@dolphy.io with the same subject line AI jewelry prompt, and I'll send you the doc over the email. Make sure you do the both things. So if you also want to learn how I write a perfect prompt for each images and videos, then you have to watch the video till the end. I'm going to reveal my ultimate trick from master of writing perfect prompt for any AI model. So one thing I noticed in my analytics, only 3% of viewers are subscribed to my channel. I know most of you are learning something new from my channels, and it's completely free to watch for you. So only thing I need in return is a subscription from you. So make sure you subscribe right now. So once you are done with the prompt, hit on unlimited, and you see on the top the image generation part has started. So within few seconds our final result will be ready. So now you can see the storyboard with 9 gorgeous looking shots on the screen. The beauty of Vision is this AI model does not just generate the images, but it understands how the videography or the film been shot. So it generates the 9 different shots with the different angle, different camera shot, and with the different story in the mind. So you can extract each of these shot, generate the individual video, combine them, and create the entire ad video or ad shoot for your product. So now let's extract each shot and show me what you can do with each individual shot. So now you can see on the right side our prompt is visible. Below that, the Vision board as we selected our attached image, and then you can see the option attached to prompt, upscale and download. You can download from here. If you want to upscale this image, you can click on it, but this time we are going to click on attach to prompt. So once you click on it, you can see our same storyboard image has attached in the prompt box. So now if you want to make the changes, you can change the resolutions. If you want to change this size, you can do it. I'll just want to keep the unlimited on, and I'll click on trend. I'll go to the Vision and again click on extract shot. So now you can see I see only one image now, with all the attached image option has been disappeared, and I can see one simple prompt. So I'll change the X to 1 and click on unlimited. So now Vision is going to extract the first shot from my storyboard. So now look at the screen for our first extracted shot image. The same way I have extracted all the 9 images you can see on the screen. The best part is, if you don't like one of the image, you can regenerate the entire storyboard, or you can just regenerate the same image with a different angle or different camera. So I'll just show you quickly how you can use the Vision to change the camera angle. So to change the angle of the same shot, what you need to do, just go back to the same right side. At the bottom, click on attach to prompt and go back to the strand option and click on vision, and this time again the same 4 options is open. We already used storyboard and extract shot. This time we want to change the angle, so click on angle, and the prompt has already been changed to create different angles of uploaded image. Click on unlimited, and that's it. Within few seconds our new image with the different angle will be available. The same way you can generate unlimited images without spending any more credits. Means buy one paid plan and generate unlimited images for your jewelry product. Now you can see a different angle image on the screen. So the same way you can extract each shot, you can change the angle, change the look, and you have unlimited images ready for your social media, for your websites, for your posters, and then also using the same images you can generate videos. So now let's check out our second jewelry product, which is earrings. So you have to follow the same step. Go to the prompt box, click on attachment, and then select our earrings. So you see on the bottom the one image is attached. You can attach up to 8 images in this box. So now we want to generate a storyboard, so go back to vision, click on storyboard. Now you can see you can attach up to 4 images. Remove the default prompt. So after removing my default prompt, I just pasted my prompt I created for earrings. So to do the AI photography of earrings, you have to write the prompt, attach the image, and then select the resolution, which is 4K is good, the size looks good, the quantity looks good. I want to keep unlimited so I don't waste my credits. In the trend, I already selected the storyboard, then hit on unlimited. Within few seconds, the new storyboard with all the 9 shots with our earrings photography will be ready, and the final result you can see on your screen. So same way you can extract any of the shot, you can upscale them, or you can download. So you see the process is very simple and straightforward. The same way what I'm gonna do, I'm going to create a AI photography for ring as well. So now look at the final result of the storyboard for our rings. So the same way you can do a photography for any of your jewelry products. So now you can see I have extracted each shot for my earrings, for my ring, and for my necklace. And I'm now going to create a video from each shot and then put them together and create my entire product ad video, which I can put it on YouTube. I can also use it as for my ads, and I can also run it on my website. So without waiting, let's go to the same tool and create our first video. So I'm just going to select this image, and then you can see the same page will open up. So at the bottom you can see attach to prompt option, click on it. Once you do it, you can see our attached image is here. So now let's go to the take 1 option and click on video and click on 3.0 video as a model. You can select any of the video model from the list. I'm just going to select Kling 301. So now you see the prompt box has changed. Here you can add a start screen. You can also end the end screen here. If you have any native audio, you can attach here, and you can add elements like images, video here. That's helped Kling 301 model to understand the entire story better, and it's generate a better video for your product. So I'm going to just upload one image. Then you have option to select resolutions. If you want to keep the sound on or without sound you want. If you want to add any negative prompt, you can do from here. Then select the ratio, which is good. Multi-shot. If you want to generate a short clip for each part and then you want to combine them, you can write a short prompt for each 3-second video. So I'm not going to use the multi-shot, so I'll just disable it. You can select the seconds from here. I'm just going to keep 10 seconds. Number of videos you can select from here. Keep the trend as it is. We already have the Kling 301 video model is selected, and the last part is to add your prompt. I'm just go to my doc and I'm just going to copy and paste the prompt I have generated for this image. So I'm going to paste it here and click on generate. Now within a few minutes you can see our first video will be available. Take a look at on the screen. So you can see on my screen I have created the prompt for all the images as well as all the videos. You can see all the prompt for short 1 to short 9, for earrings photography and videography, for ring videography and photography, and necklace photography and videography. So if you need the entire prompt doc, do the same things. Comment down AI jewelry prompt in the comment box, as well as send me email on support@dolphy.io with the same subject line AI jewelry prompt, and I'm going to send you the doc over the email. Do the both things. So now, as I told you, I'm going to reveal my ultimate trick, Brahmastra, for writing a perfect prompt. So what I'll do, I'll go to the Perplexity Pro. I attach my image and then I write down what I want in my images or in the video and ask Perplexity to write a perfect prompt for NanoBanana Pro, Kling 3.1, so on, using my image and my text. And look at the result. It generated a perfect prompt which I'm just copying and pasting into my prompt box. So I'm going to use now each and every shots, use the prompt I have written and create the entire video for our first AI jewelry product shoot. So let's see how will the final output look. So now I have generated 9 different videos using my 9 different shots. Then I have combined them and generated my final video as my product ad video. Just take a look at final result. Now you have seen how I generated entire jewelry product ad video in few hours using these awesome AI tools. The same way you can do it for any of your product. So the best part about this tool is the quality and accuracy of final photography. You see how good the quality looks like. I can generate unlimited images with one single click. So make sure you try this tool and check it out, the Vision. It's completely free right now. And I hope in this video you learned something new about the AI jewelry photography and videography. If my videos are helping you in some way in your professional life or you're in business, make sure you hit on like button, subscribe my channel and share this video with your jewelry seller friend. See you in the next one.